Alright guys, so in activity 14.1 we talked about what a subtend is, and it's essentially arc length from a central angle. So I'm going to draw an angle in standard position, then we're going to find the subtend of it. So to draw an angle in standard position, we have to have our x and y axis. We are always going to have our initial side, which never moves. It is on the positive x-axis. And then we're going to have our terminal side, and that's the part that actually moves. Along from the x-axis all the way around, kind of like the hands of the clock. We're going to go ahead and make this pretty straightforward. We're going to do a positive angle. So my positive angle, we're going to denote it starting from the positive x-axis all the way to our terminal side. We need to pick an angle in quadrant 3, so I'm going to go ahead and say that this is 225 degrees. And to find the subtend, we have to know the radius, so I'm going to go ahead and pick a radius of 3 inches. So to actually find the arc, if you imagine this being on a circle all the way around, and we're finding the arc right here, we're going to use the equation that they put in Springboard, which is n, which is going to be your degree, divided by 360 times 2 pi r. And that's going to equal your arc length, or equal your subtend. So from here, it's just plug and chug math. I know my n, the angle that I'm working with, is 225 degrees. I know my radius is 3 inches. So to actually go ahead and do this math, we're going to put 225 divided by 360 times 2 pi times 3 inches. And from there, guys, we can go ahead and cancel it out, get a nice specific answer, or we can just throw it into a calculator and get an answer, which is 11.78, and that's just an approximation. So we need to get rid of that equal sign and use an approximation sign. It's approximately 11.78 inches. Pretty straightforward process as long as you know your degree or your radius. I can also give you the subtend and the radius and have you find the degree. If you know 2 of the 3 things that are unknown in the original equation, you can always solve it by using algebra.